Sentinel HDI-90 has CE, ETL, and is ENERGY STAR approved. It is specially designed for crawlspace and basement dehumidification with low noise levels, less than 55 dBA. It can remove 90 pints at AHAM of moisture per day with only 5.5 amps power and 90 liters at 30 degrees, 80% humidity. It covers up to 2,600 square feet, and it has impressive water removing efficiency of 6 pints per kilowatt hour. It's 63 centimeters wide, 35 centimeters high, and 40 centimeters deep, ideal for basement and crawl spaces. The control panel is right here on the front. Just press the button and set your desired humidity level. We set it at 50% humidity level when production is finished. You can set it to between 35% and 90% relative humidity by adjusting the up and down buttons if your space starts to feel too dry or not dry enough. First, let's see how it works. The air comes through the front, passes through an easily removable filter, it goes through the system, and the dehumidified air passes out through this outlet here. The humidity sensor is situated at the front of the machine above the removable filter. This helps eliminate short cycling and has quick access to the pump and main board. The unit is equipped with a hot gas defrosting system on the exchanger, which ensures quick and efficient clearing of ice from the coil under a minimum operating temperature of 2 degrees centigrade. Continuous operation mode is designed for special humidity level control applications. The unit starts CO mode only when the inner humidity level is just at or under 35%. It will continuously dehumidify without stopping. Some special commercial and industrial fields will ask for a lower humidity level for specialized use applications, like some labs for biological experimentation. The filter is easily removed and reinstalled right here at the front of the machine. It's very simple to remove this washable filter, and then there's a replaceable paper filter behind it. The unit is equipped with a G3 filter, which captures the majority of larger airborne particles after the air is blown into the machine. It can protect blowers, coils, fans, and other inner components from the congestion of impurities from external air, while at the same time ensuring the maximum airflow supply volume. Sentinel HDI-90 is leading the industry by introducing epoxy-coated coils. This new feature will extend the life of the coils, provide protection in corrosive environments, and maintain the coil's heat transferability over the life of the coil, and let gravity drain the water down. The unit is equipped draining upwards. You have to pass the water pipe through a window to complete the task with power from the condensate pump. Long distance draining can be achieved by using the 5-meter long pipes supplied for your convenience. Remote control design makes this unit ideal for situations where remote controlling and sensing are required. The product has an air duct for dehumidification. It can help you take moisture from one room and release the moisture to another.
There we go. Now I need to clean the filter. Yeah, okay. I have it connected to condensate pump. This is just a regular garden hose nozzle. Cut up the garden hose. Very simple. Clean the filter. Very easy. Take it off. I'll probably run the dry vac over it. Doesn't look too bad. And then I just snap it back on. Much easier than other models I've dealt with. Keep it on all the time. Otherwise, I just want to keep bugs out. Fan speed, high, medium, low. if I clean the filter, I just hold this button down and reset it. And yeah, humidity in here is about 27%. Without this thing, it would be about 42, I think. I haven't let it go that high. I guess if you were gonna pull it out, and there it goes. Why are you beeping at me? I've never actually used this though. But it looks like there's a plastic cover, and you would have to pour it out through here. Okay, so it doesn't, that's good. It won't splash on you as you're carrying it. It's not very big though. But this is 70 pints a day unit, so I guess they expect you to drain it. Okay.
Thank you for taking a closer look at the Friedrich dehumidifier. Convenient and easy to use, Friedrich's dehumidifiers feature precise humidity control and continuous drainage operation. Our models can treat areas up to 2,500 square feet, extract 25, 50, or 70 pints of moisture every 24 hours, and can be set to humidity levels ranging from 30 to 90%. The sleek, modern design will not detract from your decor. With a built-in drain pump, you no longer have to continuously check the bucket to see if it's full. The pump will remove water up to 15 feet in any direction, allowing it to drain to a sink or out a window. These efficient Energy Star qualified models also provide a removable condensate bucket with a carry handle that holds up to 16 pints of water. With a washable slide-out filter, low ambient operation, automatic defrost cycle, and a 24-hour timer, these powerful dehumidifiers are ideal for living areas, storage areas, basements, and equipment rooms, anywhere moisture is a concern, because they provide reliable, convenient operation. Another great feature is the easy roll casters that allow you to move the unit from room to room with ease. When not in use, the unit can easily be stored in most closets. Investing in a Friedrich dehumidifier can help you protect your home and your health. A broad service network, a team of technical experts, and US-based customer support ensure you get the prompt service you deserve. If you demand the best, it has to be a Friedrich, the experts in room air conditioning.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.